I'm Adam MacLean, a PhD candidate at Imperial College in London. We are part of the Clever Microbes exhibit here at the Summer Science Exhibition. What does thrill me about studying for a PhD is being at the cutting edge of what is a very specific, small area of my field, but it's still something that really no one else knows quite exactly what it's about. Being at the cutting edge of this subject is, I guess, both the best and the worst thing, because it's very exciting and you are working on something that really nobody else is, but at the same time, all this freedom that that you have, there's nobody who can tell you what to do. There's nobody who does know exactly what it is that I am doing, and that is a big challenge as well, because there's nobody I can go to and ask for help. In some cases, some problems are only up to me. So one of the most exciting things is that you never know what's going to happen next. I originally trained as a physicist in Edinburgh, and I never thought at that point that I would study biology. I have to admit, I didn't think biology was that cool, but I changed my mind, and here I am today studying how bacteria make decisions using computational and systems biology approaches, and I think it's great. A microbe is quite a general term for a very small organism. When we use the term, we're really talking about bacteria, which are single-celled animals or organisms. What we really care about is the question of how do bacteria, or really any very small single-celled organisms, make decisions? How can they respond to a world around them with such simple circuitry as they have inside them? So we care about bacteria, firstly because they're everywhere. There are, of course, the bacteria that we've heard of, like E. coli, that can cause disease. There are thousands of species of bacteria, a few of which are harmful and many of which are not harmful, and in fact are essential to us. They live in our guts and they perform useful functions. We need to understand their pathways in order to know both how they normally work and also, in cases of disease, how we can stop them from causing these diseases. My favourite bacterium would have to be Staphylococcus, mainly because I love the sound of their name. Come on down and visit us, the Clever Microbe stand at the Royal Society Summer Exhibition, where you can play our game, design your own microbe to see how well it can sense sugar, and compete against your friends to see whether your microbe can beat theirs. You can also take home your own DNA to make at home, try on our 3D glasses, or take home a petri dish and grow your own real bacteria live in the kitchen. Don't worry, mums and dads, if you find something growing in the kitchen, it's just science.